All right, Daddy Jack's go with the blues. So I was looking up, Sicilian, restaurants, recipes. And I came across a sandwich shop, and I'm gonna try to recreate these sandwiches they were made. So we got a small dough. What's these doughs weigh out, B?
Those are 10 ounces.
10 ounce. So we're gonna try to recreate it as a sandwich. We're gonna make a little bread first, and hey B.
Yes, sir.
Want to come over and try to stretch one of these for me?
Yep. How big do you need it?
Huh?
How big?
Double that size. I've reworked that a little bit. Yep. It's still cold. It's still cold. We pulled it out a little while ago. Still cold. Sorry. Plus, we cut a whole ball in half, so it's kind of right.
Yeah. So we gotta kind of rework it a little.
The heat from our hands will warm it up.
So my mom used to do tortillas.
Right?
Slap it back and forth in her hand.
There you go. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these, just fold them over. We're gonna put it in the oven just like that. Bake them up, so it's gonna be, so that would create like a calzone type of deal, but we're not sealing it. And then it'll cook, we'll open it up, we'll make our sandwich. How hot's that oven now, Pete?
400. I just tempted.
Ah.
Oh, because you're in the front.
Oh, yeah, 379. I gotta throw that back a little bit. All right, we'll let that go for about maybe 15 minutes, and we'll be back.
Anytime.
All right, so we're gonna make a little marinated salad here. Some lettuce. Everything's gonna be nicely chopped for our sandwich, our Italian sandwich. A little bit of sun-dried. A little Parmesan. And little diced tomato. Okay, B. Get a little bit of red onion?
I do. You want it diced? I already have some already diced.
No, I gotta rather have it sliced. Thank you. Yeah, got a couple of sliced. Okay. A little bit of artichoke. A little bit of red pepper. A little bit of red wine vinegar. A bit of olive oil. And a bit of salt and pepper. bit of red pepper. This is what I love. I put this on my grinders. Yeah. Look at that, nice. So I always prepare that a little bit ahead of time with that marinade. As my buddy John Bannon used to say, let it marinate. I'm gonna set that right here until our bread is ready, and we'll assemble that sandwich. Be right back. All right, let's check our little bread pockets out here. Woo! Oh yeah. Nice. Sorry, Glenn.
Yeah, it's okay.
It is.
Wow.
Nice. We didn't even close them up. So see, really, when you open, here you go, Ben. I'll give you these onions back. See now, and then when they let it go, if the dough was a little warmer up, it would have spread out a little bit more. So here's how they did it. Open it right up. Let me tell you, this is hot too. So I'm gonna pull this up. All that. We don't want that in there. Some nice provolone. A little bit of Genoa. Hey B, what do you got for me as far as what can I do with a chicken?
You're gonna what? Sorry?
A chicken sandwich. What do we want to put on that?
On a chicken sandwich, you want
Yeah.
to do some spinach,
No.
fresh mozz?
Yep.
Arugula? I have some of that regular pesto. You want to try?
That'd be good. So there you go. And I'll put that fresh pesto on first. Yep.
Yeah,
That's
a little
purely
soft.
off the cuff, huh? Unrehearsed. Right, B?
There we go.
Right. Pesto chicken. What else? A little roasted pepper, maybe, B?
Yep, I got that over here on this side. So, over here.
Give me a little bit on there. What else are we thinking?
You want mushrooms or olives?
Nah. I think we're good right there.
Yeah,
A little bit more. A little bit of Parmigiani.
there you go.
Glenn?
Uh-oh.
A little in the oven for a little goodness, a little heat. I will be back. We got our new taste tester extraordinaire here with us today. Here it came out. We made the roll, the bread. That's it. Our marinated salad. Let's check it out here. Look at that, nice, huh? Go ahead, Josh. Give it a taste. You want to taste the beef?
Yeah, take this.
Spot on.
I saw this on YouTube. In Sicily, this sandwich shop, they make all their own bread. One more plate.
That little salad makes it. It really does.
We got our pesto chicken. Not done yet, Josh.
I'm just backing up. I'm dripping. Dripping all over the place.
One bite, that's it, because I'm off my program here today. Come here. There's our hitman, Ronnie. Come here, Ronnie. Take a little taste, man.
A little taste.
Yeah, go ahead. Where's Nana?
That's good.
Yeah. Made the bread and everything. Yeah. Well, that's Ronnie. He lives right around the corner, man. And you know, anytime we're in a pinch, Ronnie comes to help us out. Huh? Professional pearl diver, jack of all trades, man. You got a beautiful dog, Nana. Nana comes around here and when she hits that corner, she should be a sled dog, man.
She good.
Like that, man, trying to get in for a piece of cheese. Right?
That's right, Jack.
Where is she now?
She at home. I took her in. I'm going for a walk.
Right?
I'm walking for chill.
And the rest of that, man, take with you. No? Oh yeah? All right. It is Dave Jacksco with the Blues here. Got a good neighborhood here, man, and a bunch of good people. They look out for. Everybody looks out for each other. That's what life is all about. Look out for your neighbors, your friends, your family. The Dave Jacksco with the Blues here. Peace.